Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, your one-stop tech channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. This is our artist BT12 Retro Bluetooth speaker, a speaker that brings retro vibes with modern sound. So, is it just good looking or truly powerful? Let's find out. So in this video, I'm going to unbox it, reviewing and testing the sound performance. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. So let's get started. Here is our box. The box itself gives off a vintage radio feel with bold artist branding BT12. On the side, you get to see the specification of the speaker. This is BT version 5.0. It is maximum output 5 watts of RMS, battery capacity up to 1200 mAh, and it is also hands-free calling. So now let's open it up. Inside the box, we get this classic Bluetooth speaker and a micro USB charging cable and a auxiliary cable and some documentations like user manual and warranty card. About its design and build quality, as you can see the design, wow, built of plastic, whole body is looking very classical. It is giving very royal vibes. On the front you can see the volume knob, and here's the 3 buttons for changing the songs, for the previous, next, and to change the song button. We can also change the mode of the speaker. Here is the mode button.
FM mode, Bluetooth mode.
So it is a fully multifunction Bluetooth speaker. So let's talk about its specification and features. We can connect by Bluetooth by connecting to our phone, or by USB cable, or by auxiliary cable also we can connect it, and we can also use by micro SD cards, and it can play FM radio also. And the weight is around 500 grams, very lightweight and portable. First I will on the Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, it's powered on now. So now we will test this speaker in 3 tests. The sound test 1 will be instrumental, and the sound test 2 will be the bass track, and the sound test will be the vocals. So let's test this. So now we will check the sound test instrumental. Wow, what a sound quality. In sound test 1, in instrument, the crisps are highs, cleans, mids, and very great clarity. So now let's go for the sound test 2. Wow, for a small speaker, the bass is surprisingly punchy. You can feel the thump. Nice sound performance. Now let's do the sound test 3 in vocals. So now about it, here is the quick breakdown, what I loved and what could be better. Pros is, it is very stylish, retro design, great shoot clarity, great sound quality and clarity, and decent bass, multiple connectivity options, portable and very lightweight, and long battery backups. But about its cons, okay, battery life could have been better for long outdoor use. So if you love this vintage aesthetic speaker and want a compact yet powerful speaker under budget, so this artist BT12 Retro is a solid choice, perfect for rooms, desks, or even gifting to music lovers. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you enjoyed this review, drop a comment, and if you had like a bass comparison with another speaker, so please do comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech review and unboxing videos.